This web game is called Bad Calculators. To play this game, all you'll need is the web link. This game is a great way to get students thinking about arithmetic in creative ways. Bad Calculators has only a few rules. Players choose the desired level for gameplay. Each level, as indicated on each level, includes different types of numbers and operations allowed. As levels increase, types of numbers used change, operations become more challenging, and minor adjustments are made to the moves. Each puzzle consists of a given number to start with, along with the target number. The players are given only a select few choices for possible moves to reach the target number. This is what makes the calculator bad. Players are allowed to use the choices for possible moves in any combination and as many times as desired for most levels. As noted on level 4, there begin to be some limits on how many times a move is possible. Players have a few goals to aim for on each puzzle. Players receive 1 star for completing the puzzle in any number of steps, and players receive more stars for completing puzzles in a certain number of steps as indicated by the puzzle level. If there is a need to restart, there is no penalty to the player. The operations used in this game are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. As mentioned earlier, each level consists of different types of numbers such as whole and negative numbers. Each time a player completes a level, it is helpful for them to note how many stars they received as well as how many steps it took them to reach the desired target number. Players should try to earn all stars for a puzzle to complete it with the least amount of steps possible. This aspect of the game makes Bad Calculators appear more like a game than a random math problem to players. Additionally, a good aspect of this game is that players can play with the moves and see how the operations work as there is no penalty, because players will always earn a star no matter the number of steps. This game also helps to show players that there is more than one way to solve a problem. In this example, our given starting number is 9 and our target number is 3. There are 3 possible stars to earn, 1 for completing the puzzle in any number of steps, 1 for completing the puzzle in 3 steps, and 1 for completing the puzzle in 4 steps. The only possible choices for operations are multiplying by 0, adding 1, or subtracting 2. Here we have a player completing the level in 4 steps. Once the level is won, the score pops up and indicates what star was earned, the number of steps used, and what the exact steps were. Pause this video and think about what steps would a player need to make to solve the puzzle in 3 steps. Other levels of this game include different types of numbers, such as decimals, or numbers that cannot be reached. In this level, the numbers in red, 12 and 18, are not allowed, so players must reach the target number without hitting 12 or 18. This makes the levels get increasingly more difficult and asks players to think more critically about their choices. A possible extension of this game is to use your own calculator and choose a given start number, target number, and possible moves. See how many steps it takes you to reach your target number. Click on the link provided to take you to the Bad Calculators webpage. Thanks for playing!